hit that last and final target near the bullseye there, and you had just dodged a freight train if you had stepping out of this one off that primary south signal, and it was good for a 24.39% crash there. Talk about dollar cost averaging there, and you know, again, huge freight train if you missed it that came back down, and we had broke down, consolidated, back tested that 50-day moving average 1, 2, 3 days. Fourth day slightly below that 50-day moving average and got rejected very impulsively with a pretty violent reaction there off this symmetrical triangle. Beautiful symmetrical triangle off this huge divergent high with negative and bearish divergences that just constructed and established themselves really on all three indicators since November of 2021, and it snapped, broke down, cracked its 50, back tested its 50-day moving average, and just had a full-on meltdown crash there. So again, this is where you step in, and this is where you buy. You know, if you're bullish on Xponential Fitness, again, I had even more fundamental reasons for the ending of we're into May now, and how long these New Year's resolutions will stop to play out here in the leisure cycle and fitness sector. And boy, did we have some investors start to flip out here for that 25% drop. I'll slightly adjust these this primary trend line now, and I'm going to make it a little bit tighter here and edge it up, coinciding here with the primary reactions here. This is what I like to see right here. That's a clean reaction here, and a break below this primary trend line would, in my opinion, put in a secondary sell signal. And that's where I think things could get pretty bad if it did break down here. So we'll put that we'll call it 1670. Sort of measure that in here, but this would be for the next day, and maybe we'll slide it a little bit below here, and that's again where I would suspect a pretty big move down. Call it a little, actually just previous lows of this Friday's close here. It's called 1660, and a solid daily and or close down below that 1660 price support on Monday would likely put in a bigger sell signal and a secondary sell signal here on already extreme oversold RSI conditions, and that's exactly what you want to see. A good 3, 4, 5. Even the bigger the drop, the better. On a candle close, something like this would put in again a secondary sell signal, and if we get that on Monday, I'll start to issue some more targets here, and we'll see what happens. Keep you updated, and hit that like and subscribe button, please.